Good morning, everyone. Si Jomar Hilario po ito. Let me know if you can hear me by typing the word yes into the questions box. I have a second question before we formally start. Would love to know, is it cold? Kung nasan kayo? Is it cold today? Just want to know if you're feeling the same way. Sobrang lamig ngayon. Ewan ko. I'm not sure about you guys if it's cold wherever you are. But here in the Philippines, it's a bit cold. Now my skin is cracking sa face then because it's cold. Okay, sa Hong Kong, it's warm. Okay, tell us your city also. Sa Singapore, it will always be humid. Hindi ata mababago ang temperature sa Singapore because of the ocean. Para siyang Cebu. Okay? So thank you so much for joining me, and I have certain surprises for you guys because I never teach technical stuff during webinars, but today maybe we can teach you something exciting. By tomorrow, if you demonstrate it, you apply what I will teach you tonight, you will be the envy of everybody you know. But do me a favor, huwag mo ituro sa kanila. Para ikaw muna ang envy for a while. Okay lang ba yun? Pag tinuro ko sa inyo yun, tuturo ko sa inyo ngayong gabi, huwag niyo muna turo sa kanila. Pakita niyo lang. It's a fancy way of impressing people in Facebook. But it's also a technical skill that you should know if you're a virtual assistant. It's not a big skill. Once you've learned how to do it, yung tuturo ko sa inyo tonight, you're gonna tell me, ay, ang dali-dali. But if you don't know how to do it, you're gonna tell me, ay, hindi ako marunong yan. So is anybody willing to learn something new tonight? And the reason why I'm going to teach you something new tonight is because gusto ko. Okay ba? Gusto ko lang. Okay? For those of you who've attended the workshop, you've probably seen this done. But I don't know if you've done it na ang ibig ko sabihin, I don't know if you've done it after the workshop. Kasi if you learn something lang, and you've never really applied it afterwards, eventually para siyang kamay na hindi ginagamit. Have you tried doing that? Yung kamay nyo, tigilan nyo sa paggamit. Wala siyang impact. A quote, can everybody type quote, please? A quote that you can get from me tonight, and from many nights, no? Is, alam ko na yan, is useless. Narinig ko na yan, is useless. The only thing that of use to you is ginawa ko na yan maraming beses. Yan. Pag kaya mong sabihin sa sarili mo, ginawa ko na yan ng maraming beses, you have the excuse to, well, actually, wala ka pa rin excuse. Kasi you should always be open to learning because you might get something that you've not heard before. Okay, so those of you who attended the workshop last year, you know this. Online Mentoring Club members, I'm not sure if I taught you this. Workshop, VA seminar people, nope, I have not taught this before. So let's do this. Okay, game. So what I'm going to do tonight is going to go through this lesson, going to show you the many ways you can earn online. And some of you are doing this. Then I'm going to help you evaluate which one is for you. Hindi ko siya itatry sirain man lang yung ilusyon kung ano man yung way to earn online na yan. Okay? I'm just gonna explain. Okay. So let's begin. Let's begin first with first set. Hanggang ano lang tayo? I'm not sure. Hanggang kailan lang tayo? 11? Kaya ko ba? Sana hindi ako mag-overtime. Lagi na lang nag-overtime. Sino ang masaya na nag-overtime? Hindi. Sinong hindi masaya na lang? Gusto ko, sinong hindi masaya na nag-overtime si Jomar? Pakisabi nga, ayoko mag-overtime ka kasi. Sabihin mo. I would love to know if you are unhappy if we go on overtime. Kasi importante sa akin eh. Pag tumahimik ako, isa lang ibig sabihin yan. Hinintay ko kayo sumagot. So, yung mga iba dyan nagsasabi, ha? Walang sound. Kasi, there's a delay between me talking and you guys actually hearing anything. So, there's also gonna be a delay between you typing and me actually knowing that you answered my question. So, yan. Amen. Tuloy, tuloy, tuloy. Oy, ayaw mapuyat. Gusto ko lang marinig yung hindi masaya sa overtime. Para mabilang ko yung ayaw magsakripisyo. Hindi ko naman kayo iniinis. Ano lang yun. Gusto ko lang mabilang kung ilan yung ayaw mag-overtime. Kidong. Okay. Start na po. Okay na. So, let me just get my things here. Sorry Sorry sa mga nagmamadali. Normally, I just go straight to the point. But today is different. So, hindi na mamadali. So, mga naghahanap kayo ng pagmamadali. Sige lang. Okay. The first thing I'm gonna talk about on the many ways to earn online are the scams first. We'll get them out of the way. The scams. Okay? So, ano-ano yung mga scams na normally marami sa atin ang napapasok. So, mabilis lang to kasi scam nga eh. So, the first thing is, nakarinig na kayo ng Neobox. Ito, specific na website. Ay, hindi yan. Hindi yan ang spelling ng Neobox. Neobox, ClickSense. Yung mga yan, yung mga kumpanya na yan, narinig nyo na yan? Okay, wag niyong papatulan yan ha. Hindi yan work online. Okay, mga scam sites lang yan. Now, to explain to you, mabilisan lang kung bakit sa scam site, sobrang simple lang naman, So, the task, and hindi lang yung Neobox, pati yung mga survey form, you enter surveys, and then you win items, or you win credits. Patawa lang yung credits na yan kasi hindi mo na makukuha yan ever. At tapos yung survey, you fill up like 25 pages of surveys, and then, yes, bibigyan ka nila ng money for each survey that you fill up. So, really, really bad because they get your data. By the way, ang value kasi sabi mo, ay useless naman ang survey, they won't get anything from you. If you trustfully answer the survey, gagamitin ka nila as data point sa isang statistics na study. Okay? Gagamitin nila yung data mo. Lalo na kung honest yung sagot mo dyan. Kahit na medyo honest lang, okay na. And do you know how much they sell statistic reports sa internet? Give me a guess. How much do they sell statistic reports sa internet? Ikaw ay naging part ka ng statistic report, pero ikaw ay pinangakuan ka lang ng credits, hindi mo naman makukuha kasi the way to earn using surveys is to answer many surveys. Unfortunately, most surveys are real. The surveys are real. They are real surveys. Ay, mali ang spelling. So, normally US or UK lang yung humihingi ng survey. Hindi ka naman taga dyan. So, kukunti lang pinapadala yung survey sa'yo. Nagpagod ka ng 25 pages, wala ka nang tanggap na pera. And when these companies, they sell the survey results, yung survey results, statistics yun when they sell the survey results, mali spelling ko, no? Survey results. Mga ano yan? Inhale kayo lahat Inhale. Sige na, inhale. Inhale. Yan ang presyo ng mga surveys. Okay na kaya? Wala ang babayad sa'yo dyan. Gagamitin lang yung data mo para kumita sila. Okay ba? So, siguro naman dapat mainis ka lang, Kasi ginamit-gamit yung data mo, hindi ka man lang binayaran. Ganyan ang mga presyo ng survey. No, there are some surveys na mga ganito naman. Hindi naman lahat ng survey ganyan. Pero, Mariano Garapon, 40,000 pesos din yan. Okay? 40,000 pesos din yan. Ngayon yung mga Neobox naman, mga ClickSense, it's really just putting you in the line of the criminals. So, ito yung criminals. sa internet. Ang tawag nyo sa criminal sa internet, ang tawag dyan hacker, ha? Yung mga hackers, sila yung naglalagay ng mga virus sa computer nyo para hacker. Okay. May need kasi ang hacker eh. Ano ba yan? Kulit. Yung na-hackers na yan ang criminals. Ikaw, this is you, no? The drawing na lang kita para makita mo. So, ikaw yan, nagkakata ng palda. Kasi majority of you are with female. Ayan, male, female. Ikaw yan, you are helping the hacker. Helping. Paano ka nakaka-help ng hacker? Ganito kasi yan. Ang hacker, ang kailangan niya ng maraming FB accounts. Kailangan niya ng maraming email accounts. Kailangan niya ng maraming Yahoo Mail accounts. Kailangan niya ng maraming ganun. Before you can make any one of these, kailangan mo sagutin yung CAPTCHA. Yung CAPTCHA, yung merong number. Yan. Katry nyo na bang mag-encode ng ganyan na maraming beses? Yan, yan. Nag-encode kayo na maraming beses, yung 012758. Yung naratry mo siyang i-encode. So, ang gagawin mo naman, bayaran ka nila for each encoding ko, no? Kukopyahin mo yan, tapos maghihintay ka for a few seconds. When you do this activity, copying the numbers, you helping the hacker create a new Facebook account, a new email account, a new Yahoo account. That's what you're doing. And this is a criminal. He's going to use this fake Facebook, fake email, fake Yahoo account with your help to send emails to you then para bumili ka ng Viagra. Example lang yun. And by the way, there's money here. There's money. Binabayaran ka niyan. Nga lang you're part of the criminal activity. Hindi mo lang alam. So, yung iba naman, ang style naman nila, yung mga ClickSense naman, this is a website. There are advertisements in the website. There. And this is the article that people normally read. And this is a ad. This is another ad. Your job is to bring your mouse here. Okay? What do? You click here. And then later, you wait for 1 minute and you click this one naman. Now, there's real money here also. But you're asking the people who purchase the advertisements dito, kasi kaya naman nagkaroon ng ads dyan dahil may nagbayad, di ba? Makita mo, this is Guess. Tapos dito, makikita mo, this is Toyota. So these companies, they placed an advertisement in this website. Let's say this website is Inquirer. Yung website ng Philippine Daily Inquirer. Bumili sila si Guess ng ad dito, kaya lumabas yung picture ng perfume nila. Si Toyota naman may picture dito ng Innova. Now, they have to pay money to Inquirer para lumabas yung ads dito. But if you click, they pay more money. These advertisers, they pay more money to the owner of the site. So, hindi naman si Inquirer, in example ko lang yan as a site. Pero mangyari, Inquirer now has more money. Pero supposed to be when you click on a ad, what should be the real reason why you click on an ad? Guys, any one of you have clicked on an ad in the past? Have you clicked on an advertisement in the past? Meron ba? May dahilan ba? Or trip mo lang? May dahilan ba bakit ka wala, bored ka? Ganun. May dahilan. The reason why this is evil, is wrong, is because when you click on an ad, you're not really interested. So, the advertiser is paying for a person who's not interested. Dapat, lahat na nagkiklik ng ad, interested. So, he's paying the website owner, pero reality is, hindi naman talaga interested yung nagkiklik. So, ang tawag dyan, dishonesty. So, impyerno pa rin yan. So, avoid nyo yan, ha? Okay? By the way, may tanong ako sa inyo. Ano sabihin nito? Testing lang, ha? Ano sabihin nito? Ano mangyayari dun sa word na hello? Para masaya, no? At pag ganyan ang sulat niya, ano mangyayari sa word na hello? Naintindihan niyo? Magiging italics yung hello. Talaga? Paano mo nalaman na naging italics siya? Magiging siyang italics? Talaga? Kahit na yung nakasulat dyan, bold ha, magiging siyang italics. Sigurado kayo maging italics. Can you guess what happens? Dinrawing ko na yung what happens ha. Dinrawing ko na, nasa screen na. Hindi ito yung tuturo ko sa inyo, pasakali lang to. Importante to, pero pag nakakita ka ng letters na sinasurround siya ng word na bold, magiging ano yung letter? Magiging bold. Tama? Kailangan ng talino, no? Kakapal yung words. Kakapal yung letters. Eh, bold nga nakalagay eh. Oh? Hindi magiging italics. Okay. So, yan. Alam niya na yan. O, sige, mamaya, balikan natin yan. Okay, very good. So, ang pinakamalaking scams ngayon na napapansin ko lang is yung walang katapusang babae, mahaba buhok, may cheque sa harap, may lalaki sa likod, laki ng ngiti niya, naka-pink na t-shirt ang babae, yung lalaki nasa likod ng babae, may hawak siya na cheque, tapos nakalagay dito yung AdSense niya na kinikita. Ang laki-laki, mga $50,000 ata. Ganyan. Tapos, blessing, nakalagay niya. Medyo religious ang dating. Blessing of $50,000 monthly. May dating? Napansin niyo ba yan? Na-attract ba kayo dyan? Tinry niyo ba? Picture yan. Lagi ko nakikita. Picture yan. There's this guy na kunyari may girlfriend. Tapos, hindi naman importante yung girlfriend kasi nakayakap lang siya sa girlfriend. Tapos, may $50,000 or something. Tapos, blessing daw siya ng $50,000. Tapos, parang ang dating, you can also earn. Diba? You can also earn. Yun ang dating. Now, ito ang katotohanan niyan, sabihin ko na sa inyo. Ang many thousands of dollars, okay, sa Google AdSense ay very possible. Pakisabi nga, very possible. This is on the other way. Hindi na to scam. Totoo na to. AdSense. Google AdSense can earn you a lot of money. Okay? I used to teach this several years ago. Pero, ano ang anong kapalit ng a lot of money? Alam niyo ba? Kasi baka i-click niyo yung ad na yon kasi totoo naman yung claim niya. Marami siyang pwedeng kitain talaga malaki. Do you know what is the requirement before you can even earn a lot of money? Tatanong lang po. Highly visited websites. The answer is a website. No, hindi a website. multiple websites, many websites. Gagawin mo yan, papagawa mo sa VA. Hundreds of thousands of visitors today. Ganyan. Kung gusto mo malaking payday sa Google AdSense. Now, I'm not actually discouraging you from doing it. I'm just giving you the choice. Gusto mo bang gawin ito? This could require you to go through many years, not months, years of creating these sites, or a lot of money to hire people to do it for you, and a lot of studying to make sure you have the right kind of website. Okay? Essentially, yung studying na yan, yung online marketing na yung pinag-aaralan mo dyan. Wala ka ng choice. Yun din yun. Okay? Gusto nyo ba? So you can make a choice right now. Gusto nyo ba yung gawin yan? Okay lang naman. Yun ang ginawa ko eh. Sagot. Pili kayo. Hindi ko kayo tinatakot. Sinasabi ko sa inyo yung katotohanan. Kailangan malaman nyo. It does take years to earn that. Sagot. Merong mga yung ginawa ko, ganyan ang ginawa ko. I tried to do that nung nagsimula ako sa online marketing. I started doing that 2000 something. Kalimutan ko na. Tagal ng panahon. When I started blogging, I blogged for 2001. I started earning something like mga 2005, wala akong pera dyan. Wala naman nagtuturo din eh. So I don't know how to earn. Then, starting around 2007, na 2006, I started earning. So, nung time na to, wala pa akong kausap na tao ha. I mean, nobody wanted to share how to earn online for free. And those nakilala ko, they also didn't want to learn. They also didn't want to share online kung paano sila kumikita. Basta kumikita sila. And for those of you na hindi kilala, around 2007, kilala ko sila Yugatech. Kilala niyo si Yugatech? Si Abe Olandres. These are the guys who were showing us their 200,000 peso check for Google AdSense because of Pinoy Tech Blog. So, pwede. These guys are a bit techy, yes, correct. Lalo na nung unang panahon na yon, kailangan medyo techy ka kasi wala pa namang matinong YouTube. YouTube was very slow, walang tutorials. So it's very possible. By the time that I got what, I did not learn from them directly. I observed what they were doing. Then, doon ko natutunan na ang lesson pala dyan sa mga AdSense na yan, no? Simple lang pala. Lakihan mo lang yung ads. Yun lang. Yun lang yung lesson niya. Large ads positioned in the right place gives you more money. So, nilalakihan ko yung ads ko. So, more money ang nakuha ko dyan with regards to Google AdSense. But AdSense is a slow way of doing it if you're not, kung hindi ka matyagang gumawa ng sakatutak na websites. Because may kilala akong he makes a computer program to create websites. So that's pretty easy. If you have talent to make computer programs to create websites, then go ahead. Kasi mas marami kang magagawang websites kung pinrogram mo. Oh, yeah, kilala ko si Carl Ocab noon time na yon. Ako nga yung nagpakana nung fiasco na yun eh. There was a parang small scandal na ako yung pinanggalingan. Of course, they benefited from it. Anyway, so bottom line, yan, that's AdSense. Let me just skip that part out. Tapos na ako sa AdSense ha. May tanong ba kayo? May tanong kayo? AdSense is essentially making sure na merong advertisement sa blog mo or sa websites mo, plural. And in that time na may laman yung website mo, people are clicking on the advertisements. And when they click, you earn money. That's it. Ganun. Okay? So that's AdSense. Click, encoding. O isa pang pinakalital na madalas ko nakikita nung tatanong sa inyo will be the translation jobs. Malapit na tayo sa online jobs. Translation jobs, they exist. But you just need to go to Google, to Odesk, and the other job sites to find the available jobs. Okay? Ang scam nga lang sa translation jobs is, do you have to pay to find out who's offering? Kasi merong site dyan na sobrang nag-a-advertise at hindi mag-advertise. You pay to access the companies who needs Tagalog to English translators. I mean, kailangan po magbayad. I-Google mo, ba't mo kailangan magbayad? Mag-Google tayo ng English to Tagalog translation. Tingnan natin kung may legit. Okay, lahat kayo. English, online job, English, Tagalog, translator. Baka lumabas dito yung mga hindi legit. Pero ito na, ginugol ko na para sa inyo. Sabi nga nila, let me Google that for you. Nakikita nyo yung first 3 ads? Mga job pics yan. Ito. Work from home without investment. Siguro hindi yan fake. Pero I would skip the ads and I just go take a look at wait. Yung first one. What's the first one? Odesk. Odesk agad. Tapos, I mean, ganun papahirapan sarili mo, mayroon pala sa Odesk. Tapos si Jomar pa yung nag-Google for you. Hanep, para lang masaya, ako na mag-Google for you. So, why do you need to pay anyone, any company? Yan, sa Elance, sa Freelancer PH. Yan, lahat yan. Huwag mo nang puntahan tong advertisements na to. Huwag na yan. Okay? Yan, puntahan mo yan. Puntahan ko yung Elance. Don't have to pay. Translation jobs, by their very nature, are super cheap. You know why, right? Translation jobs are cheap because hindi mo kailangan ng katutak na talent. Ang daming supplier niyan. Ilan ang kilala niyo marunong mag-Tagalog English translation? Ilan? Ang dami ba? So marami kayong pwedeng competition, kumbaga, marami kayong kasabayan. Correct, madami. So kung marami, anong gagawin mo? Huwag ka doon. Ang dami. Almost everyone you know can be your potential competitor. Potential lang. Okay? So, iwasan natin ang translation jobs kung gusto nyong matino. Now, if anybody's out there saying, hey, kasi yun lang talaga alam ko, yan yung mga taong tamad. Pag tamad ka, kahit anong gawin mo, kahit online or physical or real world, wala ka ng pag-asa talaga unless you change the attitude. Okay? Yung mga ugali na, yun lang talaga alam ko, pasensya ka na. You mean you have no capacity to learn? You're kidding, right? Hindi tama yun. Okay? So, ang tinatanong ni Cindy, sa AdSense, kanino galing yung ads? Kung saan galing yung mga ads sa real world, Bumukas ka ng magazine, kayo na galing yung ads. Yun din ang sagot sa internet. Ang AdSense ba pang Blogspot or WordPress? Paid WordPress, pwede Blogspot. Paid WordPress, kung gusto mo ng AdSense. Paid, may bayad na WordPress. Kung gusto mong libre na WordPress, hindi pwedeng i-AdSense yon, yung WordPress.com. Yung Blogger.com, pwede siyang lagyan ng ads. Ulit nga yung para klaruhin natin. Ilang taon, kung magsimula ka palang mag-vlog, or magkano ang kailangan mo i-spend para kumita ka ng malaki sa AdSense? 100,000 pesos siguro. Bayad ka ng knowledge. Knowledge, kailangan matuto ka eh. Tapos, taon naman, kung hindi ka magbabayad kasi sa like programmers or graphic artists or bloggers, you're not gonna pay, you're gonna do it the slow way, which I stopped teaching because it's slow nga, then it's gonna take you several years. Okay, docs? So we're really not concentrating on teaching people how to blog for AdSense kasi mahina talaga yung pasok ng income whereas pwede ka namang hindi mabagal ang pasok ng income. Tama hindi. Pwede namang mabilis. Okay? O nga, pag nag-YouTube partner ka, pwede rin. Under multiple channels, pwede rin. Pwede ka mag-YouTube partner. AdSense din ang YouTube partner. Okay? When I say YouTube partner, it means meron kang meron kang video sa YouTube. That's all it means. Videos sa YouTube. Bawat view, walang pera. For every 1,000 views, yan, may pera yan. Ang catch, pag hindi ka marunong mag-online marketing, kikita ka once lang per view. Marunong ka mag-online marketing, pwede ka kumita ng 2 times, 3 times, 4 times per view. It depends kung marunong ka mag-online marketing. Okay? So, even if you do get to do AdSense, kasi sa AdSense kasi either YouTube, yung AdSense, ang mundo niyan, blog, big website, or a forum, pareho lang yan sa blog, or videos, or YouTube. Yan ka pwede kumita. Okay? Or massive blog. Pwedeng massive blog. Maraming laman. Okay. Ang prerequisite sa AdSense, marunong ka anong sagot? Smile naman kayo dyan. Anong sagot? Online marketing. Yan ang prerequisite niyan. Kailangan marunong ka niyan. Kung kapak ka sa online marketing, pwede naman, mabagal ang progress mo, pero pwede pa rin. Yun ang nire-recommend kasi nga, bagal progress, sayang naman ang oras. Okay, docs? So, tayo So, under online marketing, there are several things na pwede mong i-pursue, no? So, there's MLM na online marketing, katulad ng SWA, na yung iba dyan, member. Merong direct selling na online marketing, tulad ng, yung mga herbal, supplements, yan. Direct selling, sa internet silang bibenta. Merong direct selling, gamit nila eBay, gamit nila sa nilang site like Lazada. They're doing direct selling sa internet. Yung meron kaming sapatos, binibenta namin, ganyan-ganyan, right? So those are the models for selling online. Okay. So there's MLM, there's direct selling eBay style, and there's also this thing that we do. We do direct selling. No, we don't do direct selling. We do online marketing for digital products naman. Digital. Okay. We don't do direct selling. Okay. Here is the most important distinction. Kapag sabi, pagkakaiba. Isulat nyo naman dyan, pagkakaiba po. Para clear. Okay, very important distinction para mabilis na tapusin ko na yung distinction ngayon ha. Iwan ko muna tong page na to, balikan na lang natin mamaya. Marketing versus selling. Dapat alam na alam nyo na difference na itong dalawa na to. Okay? Marketing is the preparation. So, na preparation is the research, is the materials, okay? It's also the process, is the service. Yan. You do all of those before you get into selling. Marketing is the preparation, the research, the materials, the process, and the service that you do before you get to sell anything. So, kita nyo ang difference ng marketing and selling? Pakisabi hindi. Pag hindi pwede. Pag hindi nakikita. Pakisabi hindi nyo nakikita ang distinction. So, ito pakita ko sa yung distinction na para masaya ha. So, this is, let me just paint a picture na lang para masaya, no? So, this is a pie. This pie is called marketing. Okay ba yung marketing na yan? Yan ang marketing pie. Okay? Clear na clear. Ngayon, ito ang selling. So, alam niyo na kung anong role ng selling sa marketing. Paano siya magkaiba. Itong malinggit na to, siya si selling. Ngayon, pwede kayong arguein ng mga philosophy people, but we're just using my definition. Now, for those of you na hindi pa gets yan, isa pa. Ito ang selling. Diwag yan. Ito ang selling pala, ha? Para masaya. That's selling, right? That's selling. That's the number 9. That is selling. Para gets nyo na in a different way. Now, let me show you marketing. Oh, gets nyo na. This is marketing. Sama na natin yun para masaya. So, gets nyo na. Pag sinabi nating direct selling, you don't do the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You just go ahead and, hey, ang ganda ng produkto ko, bilhin mo. That's what I define as direct selling. Okay? Okay? There are people out there, mga experts, who are saying you don't need to go to number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is enough. Because if you do your job right, 9 is automatic. Okay? Sabi nila, expert yan. Mga patay na ng mga marketers nung unang panahon. Okay? So, when we're talking about yung kanina, which is direct selling examples, no? Okay, direct selling. Ay, hindi yan. Where is it? Nawala ako. Ayan. Talking about this example, when you're selling herbal, tas wala kang ginagawang anything else, but sinabi mo, "Huy, maganda tong herbal ko," you're doing direct selling. Pag nasa Lazada ka, may picture ka ng mga 10 pirasong sapatos, at ibang 10 kinds of bags, different kinds of herbal, that's direct selling. You're not doing any preparation, you're not doing any service before they buy. Service before they buy, hindi after they buy. You're doing direct selling. Okay? When you're doing SWA, you're doing MLM, which is called multi-level marketing, nandun na nga sa pangalan, but wala kang ginagawa in preparation. What you do is exactly what that guy did yung sa AdSense. Ano yun? Ginagawa ng mga MLM na madalas nag-work. Nag-work naman talaga eh. Yung pinapakita mo lang yung cheque mo, ha? Alala niyo yung mama na yun? Yan. You're not marketing. You're doing direct selling. You're showing them the proof of your profit, tapos gusto mo bumili na sila agad. So that's very big distinction kung gusto mong bumili na sila agad, you're not in the marketing world, you're in the selling world. Kaya nga salesman. Bakit takot ang tao sa salesman at sales lady? Kasi isa lang ang goal ng salesman at sales lady is for you to what? Ang goal ba ng sales lady is for you to be served para matulungan ka sa problema mo? O ito lang ang goal ng sales lady, lalo na sa tindahan? Kaya most people, pag nilapitan ng sales lady is mahal. Hindi po, tumitingin lang po ako. Kasi alam niyo ang goal niya is to buy, not to serve. The marketer's goal is to serve. First, not to force you to buy. Or not even. The word na ginagamit ng marketer is not really to force, but to compel. Compel. Wala ka choice. Compel you to buy. Yan ang ginagawa ng marketer. Just to be clear, if you're doing SWA, if you're doing any kind of marketing, and you don't do anything to serve the people you want to sell to, wala kang service na binibigay. No service, you're selling, you're not marketing. Big difference. Kasi if you're just doing selling, wala tayong kailangan pag-usapan. Kasi I don't do that, I do marketing. Okay? Pag wala kang service, you want them to buy, agad-agad, you're just direct selling, which is not a model that I do. You can do that. Like I did that sa concerts. I did direct selling kasi 30 days na lang yung concert. You all read the story. But if you have a choice, like yung swan nyo naman, di naman mawawala. Wala kang deadline. So, I mean, they can buy next year if they wanted to. So, nasa sa iyo yun to put in a deadline somewhere there. Okay. So discuss ko na sa inyo yung mga big, mga marketing. Ang hinuli ko na lang ay yung dalawa, which, let me show you. Which is yung, alam nyo lahat na kailangan ko i-discuss ngayon. Alam nyo ba yon? Siguro naman, no? Alam nyo yung mga kailangan ko i-discuss ngayon sa inyo. So that would be the virtual assistant business. Of course, I won't go into detail on the virtual assistant business. I'm just going to show you some people who we've helped in the past. So we've had Andrea become an accountant virtual assistant. Anne, who's no longer a general VA now, she's doing social media for Social Metric. So edit natin yan. Social media na yan. So these are the people we've helped sa virtual assistants. No? Si Nas, video editor na siya. Si Jaisa, social media manager na. Si Joyce, Facebook marketer. Si Cons, general VA. She just recently resigned, by the way, looking for a job. Si Jones is a team strategist, so she takes care of her team. Si Joy is a general VA. Si Neri, she's an accountant. And these are just a few of the people we've helped become virtual assistants. Okay? And since hindi ko na-discuss VA, no? VA is like, sige, sabihin ko na lang. In case hindi nyo alam, mga first timer, ano ba yung VA? So, lagay ko na lang dito kung ano yung virtual assistant, no? Para kayo ay medyo clear. So, the VA is just like, in your mind, it's gonna feel like being employed. Mukha siyang employee, quote-unquote. Ay, pero hindi siya employee. Ay, ano ba ito? May help. Hindi siya employee. Siya ay isang, parang siyang freelancer. Yun ang tinatawag nila normally. Freelancer na may monthly. Ang freelancer normally per project. Ito pa may monthly payment. To. So, mukha siyang employee. Tapos, ang ginagawa niya trabaho, online work lang lahat. So, yung mga sinabi ko sa inyong trabaho, isa sa kanila hindi encoder. Walang encoder dyan. Okay? So, the lowest paid virtual assistants are the encoders. We don't encourage you to become an encoder. None. Walang encoder dyan. So there, if, well, let's see again kung sino sila. At see again kung anong trabaho nila. Now that I got your attention. So, si Neri, accountant, si Joy, general. Pag sinabi general, maraming task yan, ha? Wag mong malitiin yan. Hindi siya yung parang general services na tagalinis ng ano nyo, taga-order ng gamit. Ito kung ano-ano ginagawa nila. Facebook team si Jones team strategist, si okay. Si Joyce, Facebook marketer, si Cons, General VA, si Jaisa, social media manager, si Anne ay social media, si Andre accountant, si Nat video editor. Now, some of you will be looking at this list and you're going to tell yourself, ito, aminin nyo na, uy, wala dyan yung job ko, wala dyan yung yung profession ko. Tama ba? Iniisip nyo yan? Paano naman ako? Wala dyan yung aking profesyon. Di ba? Hindi ganyan mag-isip. These guys did not become these people because they took it up in school. Okay? Hindi sila nag-aral sa school. They self-studied this stuff. Okay? They self-studied this stuff. So, ang nag-aral lang niya sa school si Andrea. Yan ang course niya eh. Si Andy nag-aral yan ng Facebook sa school. Si Nat, nag-aral siya ng Photoshop sa school pero ang video editor hindi siya Photoshop. Okay? Si Jaisa, walang Facebook yan sa school. Sigurado ako hindi tinuro sa school yan sa Facebook. Si Joyce din hindi tinuro yan kasi una-una drop out yan sa applied math. Si Joyce, she voluntarily left school just to become a VA. Si Cons naman, hindi rin kasi singer yan sa Feast. Okay, sa harap. Sa mga soloist yan sa Feast. So, si team strategist is a person who manages a team of virtual assistants. Yan yung ginagawa ng team strategist. Marunong ka bang mag-manage ng tao? Oo. Ayun. Pwede ka mag-team strategist. Okay? So, ganon. So, try not to look for your course when you're looking at virtual assistants because course won't work. It's not about course. It's what you're willing to learn. It's always about what you're willing to learn. Okay, so yan yun. So, I would love to discuss something very important to everyone. Sino ang gusto ng contest na ang premyo ay wala yung libre dun sa yung libre ang attend dun sa VA seminar sa sa March 22. Sino may gusto? Hina ng dating. Kasi nakakuha na kayong ticket. Ayan yung manalo para ibigay nyo sa kaibigan nyo or something yung ticket. I mean, I should be getting more than 100 yeses. Yeah. I mean, it's a possibility that you will win. And some of the possibilities is hindi ka lang mag-win, you can actually give the ticket away if you want. Kung gusto mo lang, o ayaw mo, okay lang naman. Transfer mo sa somebody who deserves it. Pwede naman eh. Basta manalo ka. Di ba? And for those na yung sabi nyo wala kayong pera kasi ang mahal ng binili yung Galaxy S3. Alam yun? Sensya ka na, wala akong pera. Sent from my Galaxy S3, S5. Ano yung mga ganong gimmick? May mga taong ginaganon ako. Ini-email ako, pasensya ka, wala talaga akong kapera-pera. Sent from my iPad. Or mga ganon, labo, no? So, here's the contest details. Para masaya. Sobrang simple ng contest natin ngayon. I made it a point to make it simple, brain dead, para hindi naman sobrang brain dead. Kailangan may gawin talaga kayo. Para kaya na. Para most people kayang sumali. Okay lang ba i-discuss ang contest? Pero grabe namang, Cheska, ang ginamit mong kulay. Hallelujah. Dali Kala niya mababasa natin to eh. Cheska, hindi namin mababasa ang white over pretty. Baby blue. Nobody can read that, Cheska. Ala, ano tayo magpapalit ng kulay ngayon? Hindi mabasa ang iyong template. Kasi white over baby blue. Sino ba ang mami mo? Okay. Iiyak ako. Sandali. Kinakausap ko si Cheska. Si Cheska VA ko yan. Magaling yan. Sobra. Sabihin nyo nga, sobra. Siya ang mag-aalaga sa inyo pagdating ng contest. Okay? Pero nga lang, yung presentation na ginawa niya is cute. Masyadong cute. Hindi niyo mababasa yung text. Tensya na. Talaga eh. Dapat mabasa niyo yung text. By the way, sino dito ang nag-a-attend ng feast? Sabihin niyo sa mga gumagawa ng feast poster niyo sa internet. Hindi na nabasa yung text. Okay. Umayos kayo. Nagawa kayo ng announcement para sa Diyos, tapos gagawin yung hindi mabasa. Tama ba yun? Wala, kasi sabi ng designer, maganda yan eh. Really. So, bakit pa? Bakit pa tayo nagawa ng something na hindi nababasa ng tao? Okay? So here it is. Here's the VA contest. So, there's gonna be a VA Seminar 101, the first of its kind sa March 22. That's the end of next month. And to help you get yourself in that event at the same time for free, and to encourage the people that you love to join it, or at least to be aware of it. Sino ba dito ang gustong friends nila makapunta, pero gusto nila friends nila ang magbayad, at the same time friends nila ang volunteer yung friends nila na pumunta. So here it is. The contest will run from today hanggang March 2. And ang premyo is a free downloadable VA Seminar 101. So video yan. Plus additional, ito yung premyo. Isang price lang to. 50% off pag nag-attend ka ng live event. This is the first prize. Okay. The second prize and the third prize can only be unlocked if more than 40 people join the contest. The second and third prizes, etc., will be unlocked if more than 40 people. Tama ba? 40 people join the contest. Kung mali ako, pakicorrect na lang ako. Pero hindi kami mag-open ng second and third prize until X number of people join. I mean, kung tatlo lang sumali, wag na tayo mag-usap. Okay? Ang dali-dali ng contest eh. So, let me just go through this quickly. So, how to join? Gagawa ka ng poster with your favorite quote or learning, natutunan, okay? From the Jomar Hilario Mastery Group or from myself, from me. Tapos, ilalagay mo siya sa Recite This, which is a website. 30 people joined pala, which is a website to convert your quotes to posters, recitethis.com. Okay? You can also use PowerPoint. You can also use PicMonkey. Okay? Now, essentially, mag-isip ka o tumingin ka sa notebook mo. May notebook ba kayo? Yung iba dyan masasabi, marami ako natutunan. Nagno-notebook ba kayo? Mag-notebook kayo. May balikan kayo. Kasi pag natutunan nyo lang, walang halaga ang natutunan kung walang application. Okay. Get that code. Punta ka sa Recite This or PowerPoint or PicMonkey. Convert that into a poster. Upload your posters do sa comments nung Facebook post. Sa comment line. Ang format ay yung quote na sinabi mo, itag mo yung person kung sino nagsabi noon, Jim Rohn, Jomar, Bo Sanchez. And then end mo yung yung description ng Facebook post mo. Join me, I'm personally learning real work from home at Jomar Hilario Mastery Group. Tag mo siya. Then tag 3 or more friends. The more friends you tag, the better chances that you win, because you're going to share this contest post in your wall. Itong contest post na galing sa Mastery Group. Tapos invite mo yung friends mo to like your comment quote poster, yung entry mo. So this is just a comment contest, okay? pakisabi nga, comment contest. So basically, hindi kayo pupunta sa app, pupunta lang kayo sa Jomar Hilario Mastery Group, tapos mag-enter kayo ng comments. Yung comment na yon is a picture of a learning, isang bagay na natutunan mo na. Okay, Docs? So past tense, natutunan mo na sa akin. Tapos, yun. Pag natutunan mo, magaling. Magaling. I-share mo ngayon sa mga people yan. Okay? Tapos dun sa comment din kami magbabase kung mananalo ka kasi you'll ask people to vote. The votation is by liking. Like mo yung like mo yung post mo, papalike mo sa friends mo yung post mo. Yung post mo is inside the comments. Okay? Tapos yung sarili mong poster, pwede mo siyang i-load. This is the second way to win. This is the second way to win. Para madagdagan yung visibility ng poster mo, ilagay mo sa sarili mong wall yung poster na ginawa mo. Tapos lagay mo rin, same, your quote, tag the person who said it, join me, I'm personally learning real work from home at Jomar Hilario Mastery Group. Sa wall mo na to, then tag your friends from your own wall or from your own newsfeed. Okay, so there are two places where you can upload the photo. Sa J. Hilario Mastery Group at saka sa sarili mong wall. Okay? For those of you na nalito na doon kasi Facebook na, pag sinabing Facebook, masyado na ka-excited, nalilito na, ganyan. Ito yung Facebook na group, the Mastery Group. Sa pinakataas, may post si Cheska. Ayan yung contest post. Pupunta ka sa comment, tapos mag-upload ka dito ng ng picture. Okay? Siyempre, susulat mo dito yan, halimbawa, sabi ni Jomar said, I'm awesome. Halimbawa, ito natutunan mo. At Jomar Hilario, tinag mo yung nagsabi. Tapos, join me, I'm personally learning real work from home at tapos yung at sign Jomar Hilario Mastery Group. Spelling. And tag mo siya, enter. Tapos, tama ba yung ginawa ko? Enter. No, I'm not gonna finalize that. I'm gonna check kung tama yung pinagagawa ko. There. And then, tatag ko yung mga friends ko dito sa post na, halimbawa, may in-entry ko na lang yan. Ay, mali, hindi ko na-tag. So, click the pencil and edit it. Pwede mo i-edit ngayon eh. Pwede ka mag-tag ngayon ng Nikki, friends mo. Pag mo tag kami, useless, hindi namin bobote yan. Peachy. Now, when I say friends, I don't mean friends inside the group. I mean friends outside the group. You are an evangelist. You're supposed to promote outside the group. And everybody type that. Ngayon, pag hindi ka inalaw mag-post sa labas, doon ka naman pumunta sa wall mo. Ito, the-demo ko ulit So it's the same naman. Ay, sorry, malitong malitong entry ko, wala akong poster. So kailangan mag-upload ka ng picture sa recite this. So we go to recite this. Yan. Tapos yung code, ilagay mo sa recite this. Alam ko some of you don't need this demo. Is it okay if I continue the demo? One entry per person, syempre para ma-maximize ang iyong chances of winning. One entry lang. Pag nag-double entry ka, you have to work twice. Tuloy ko ba ang demo? Say yes, tuloy. Ba, yan yung sinabi mo. Always invest in marketing education. Jomar Hilario. Halimbawa lang yan. Yan yung sinabi mo ko na gusto mo. Tapos, pili ka dito sa designs. I'll pick on this one. Tapos, click ko yan. So, gagawa siya ng big version sa recite this. Tapos, ito, right-click ko, isa-save ko siya. Marunong kayo mag-right click na. Right click ko, save ko siya. Save as invest. So, babalikan ko ngayon yung wall ko, yung Facebook ko. Upload ko dito yung nakalagay yung invest. Here this. Upload ko yan. Ngayon, papalitan ko na yung codes. Lagay ko na always invest in marketing education. Ayan. Tapos, para nyo ng awa, maglagay naman kayo ng space. Pwede ba maglagay ng space? Para maglagay ng space, shift return. Ano ulit? Shift. Pag nag-return ka, hindi pwede. Dapat shift return. Para magka-space naman at hindi naman siksikan yung yung yan. Done na ako. Press ka ng enter. Paano ba mag-enter dito? Hindi marunong. Bonk. Yan ang entry ko. Now, that entry can be duplicated. Shift return nga. Nakamak ako eh. Parehong mak sa kahit anong code, basta natutunan mo. So, ito yung entry ko. Ngayon, naunahan na kayo. Ayun, no? Si Janice. Naunahan na kayo. Tinin! Okay? Ngayon, ang gagawin mo ngayon, itag mo, dadalin mo yung entry mo na yan, dalin mo yan sa personal newsfeed mo. Ikaw, i-post mo yan sa sarili mong Facebook wall para matag mo yung friends mo. Warning, you're wasting your time if you're tagging Nikki. Itag ninyo yung mga tao na gusto nyong tulungan. Pwede ba? Pwede bang itag nila yung mga taong gusto nyong tulungan? Mga taong gusto nyong magising, mga walang trabaho, mga taong naiinis trabaho pero ayaw magbago. Alam mo yung ganon? So, nandito na ako sa wall ko ngayon, right? So, anyway. I can now upload my own photo here. Paste ko dito yung text ko. Kung hindi kayo man mag-cut and paste, i-type nyo na lang ulit. Tapos, ayan, I'm always invest. Upload ko ngayon ito sa Facebook, yung invest na poster ko. Kasi yun, yan. Always invest marketing decision. Tapos, you need to ask your friends, please, ano ito? Like this post. It's a contest eh. Yan. Basta tag ko yung mga friends ko dyan, na hindi nyo friends. Yan. Para mataas ang inyong score. Sino ba itong mga taong to? Hindi ko alam. Yan. Example lang. O yan. Ponk. Post na natin. Hindi siya totoo. So, ganyan. That's how you enter. Alam mo, paramihan to ng like. Kung walang Facebook account yung tao, di wala tayong magagawa. Hindi ka pwedeng tulungan nun para dumami yung likes mo eh. So, there. So, that's the contest. Let me check. Mayroon pa tayong na-miss out na elements. Okay. Notes, one person per entry only. You don't want to waste your time with multiple entries. So, pag-isipan nyo mabuti. Settings should be public so we can see your entries. Some people, sobrang private ninyo. Yung sarili nyong Facebook, only your friends can see it. How do we know? Pagpunta nyo dito ng anything, nakikita nyo ba yung publicity settings nyo? Nasa na yun? Nawala. Ay, mastery group. Pag nasa Facebook kayo, pag naglagay kayo ng anything dyan, meron ditong word na public sa kanan. Friends. Normally, yung iba, friends lang nakalagay dyan. Pag ginawa mo yan, hindi namin makikita yung entry mo. Hindi namin maka-count. Pag hindi namin na-count yung entry mo, kasi friends mo lang yan, hindi mo naman kami friends, lalo na yung magbibilang yung bibilang ng score mo, hindi namin makikita. So, gawa mong public yan. Publicin mo yan. para makita namin yung entry mo. Okay, docs? Again, this entry plus the entries sa mastery group will be your final score. Okay. Top 10 photos with the highest number of likes will not win. Top 10 photos will be qualified for round 2. Round 2, uh, essentially likes from the photo, comment, and the poster in your wall will be combined. Round 2 will be internal voting namin para walang mag-cheat sa likes. Design is 30%, message is 50%, galingan mo ang message mo, effort is 20%. Okay, winner will be announced on Monday on March 3. You have a week to finish this very simple task of promoting the poster, promoting the idea inside your poster. Okay? Ito ang tinatawag na marketing, mga kababayan. You are not selling anything. You are just giving them an idea na maganda, na makaka-enrich sa buhay nila. And the idea, yun yung quote na natutunan mo. Okay? You're not selling anything. You're not asking them to buy anything. Potentially, you can earn from this exercise if you do follow what we tell you to do. Potentially, you can earn from this exercise if you follow what we are talking about. Okay? So, hindi pa ako tapos. Sige, bahala kayo. Hindi pa ako tapos. So, you should encourage others to join the contest because if you get 30 minimum total contested entries, we will unlock 3 new prizes. Pag merong 30 minimum na sumali, mag-unlock kami ng additional prizes. Okay, docs? So, how do you earn? Dahan-dahan. Hindi ka muna nakikita ngayon, huwag niyo munang tanungin. Kasi 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yan ang marketing. Yung 9 lang ang selling. So don't focus on the selling because if you do that, you're going to do the wrong things. Okay? Focus on the serving. Ayan, quotable. Don't focus on the selling, focus on the serving. Pag na-serve mo yan properly, bibili sila, kita ka. If you serve properly. Stop thinking about what you're going to sell because you are not going to think about number 9 when you haven't done number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? Sabi nga, agree. Pag sabi, agree. Okay, very good. So, sabi nga ni the worst enemy, sabi ni Sylvia Plath, the worst enemy of creativity is self-doubt. Bakit mo ginamit ito, Cheska? Labo nito. Importante lang is get rid of the need to be creative and get rid of the need to doubt. All you need to do is act. Hindi mo kailangan maging creative. Hindi mo kailangan mag-doubt. You don't need either of that. You just need to find out what you learned and go to recite this and convert it into a poster. Okay? Pag ayaw maging creative, okay lang. Now, the last thing that I left for the end is online marketing. Okay? Sa online marketing naman, yan yung path na matagal din, pero if you pay attention and you get rid of your pride, you can actually get results agad. Ang kalaban ng online marketing is laziness, pride, and alam ko na yan. Talaga, alam ko na yan is the biggest problem of online marketing. Now, so how do you should help people do online marketing? Si Dens, ba't mali to? Ay, ito yung mga ibang VAs, hindi ko nasama. Sila Dens, si Will, saka si Tien. Sorry, hindi ko na-mention earlier. Now, here's the online people who I've taught throughout the years. Okay? Tanong. Lizelle, the point of the entire exercise is that you share this to your friends so that they will join also, so they will learn also. Yes? So go ahead and share this to your friends. That is the point of this entire thing. By the way, okay, so in online marketing, we've helped some people, a lot of them you've not heard of. Like si Alan Innocente he's now doing, I think, Usana nowadays. But hindi nyo alam, for many years, Alan has been earning online. Alam ko. Kasi isa sa mga nauna kong tinuruan niya sila Alan. Nauna meaning mga 3 years ago, ha? Si Richard, siguro 6 years ago, ko pa siya ng online marketing. His business has been getting millions of pesos from online marketing. Si Daryl also taught him 4 years ago. for his printing business. Si Red Denali's earnings through affiliate marketing. Shisha, you've heard a lot about her. She's speaking in this weekend's Wealth Summit. She's been an author of 6 ebooks na so far. Si Eden now is doing real estate and she's running a bookshop, for heaven's sake. Okay, she's an online marketing club member. And we have several Kindle published authors. Si Irma Teodosio, she's in Negros. Si Noemi, si Rudy is, I think, in Davao naman. He's also a Kindle published author. And Noemi is a web content specialist. These guys are doing online marketing. Noemi, however, is a virtual assistant also. Now, iba-iba ang pinagagawa nila sa buhay nila, pero all of them are doing the stuff that I've been teaching, which is online marketing. So the path to doing online marketing is long, especially if you're not an entrepreneur. As in, wala kang bebenta. So that's why it's longer, because you have to set up something to buy. You have to decide on what to buy. But the path is worth it. Can everybody type worth it? Hindi. Ang nag-online marketing na tinuruan ko na may piso sa website ay I forgot na. Sorry. Kalimutan na. Now, the invitation for online marketing is for those of you na who are willing to learn online marketing like these guys, and hindi ka takot mag-invest in education para matutunan mo yung entire thing. Okay? Wala. Nung na-invento yung Facebook group, actually, nung tinuruan ko sila, wala pang Facebook eh. Sorry. Not everybody here is in Facebook because when we started, it was still Friendster. So, yung iba na sa Facebook group, yung iba wala. Majority of the people I've taught in online marketing, hindi sila active sa Facebook marketing group natin, sa mastery group natin. They're busy doing marketing outside. Okay? They're not active. Even yung mga early successes ko sila, John Mac, wala. Si Irma, si Randy yan. Makita mo yan sa sa ating mastery group. Pero hindi masyado madalas. Most of the people in the mastery group are people interested in becoming virtual assistants. So, ito pa pala, sila Arlene, ginamitan niya ng online marketing kanyang wedding at saka photography. Amy has a travel and tours business sa Mindanao. Si Rai actually he works for a call center. He has a book, a physical book. Yan yung title ng book niya. Si Joy is an author of thejoyofstories.com. Si Ivan has a guitar workshop website. Si Laurent, she's actually earning a lot from the Truly Rich Club as an affiliate marketer. So these are some of the people we've helped na sa online marketing. Marami-rami din, actually, hindi lang kilala kasi. Kaya, a lot of people in this call, you guys are interested in virtual assistants, not necessarily online marketing. Okay. So, umalis na ang mga ayaw gabihin. So, let's teach you a small skill on online marketing para happy. Sino ang happy pa? Sabi nga, happy pa ako. Turuan mo pa ako. Kung hindi, pwede na akong matulog na. Tulog na kami. Parang. So, I'm just gonna get the text. So, the skill I'm gonna teach you, kasi yung sa contest, hindi naman siya masyadong valuable skill. Recite this. Sa totoo lang, it's a valuable skill. Pero hindi siya ganun ka-valuable. I mean, hindi ganun ka-strong yung value ng skill na yon na recite this. Sino dito ang first time nakita yung recite this? At sinabi, wow, ang ganda naman yan. Pwede rin, ano? Well, kung natuwa kayo sa recite this, hindi siya ganun ka. It's a nice thing to have. It's a great thing to get rid of yung parang low self-esteem, no? Kasi, wow, marunong ka na marunong kang gawa ng poster, ang ganda ng gawa mo. Pero, ituturo ko sa inyo, mas maganda. Okay. So, I need the mechanics. Sweetheart, nasan na ba yung mechanics? Nawawala eh. Wala pa rin siya. Okay. So here it is. Our goal is to do something na related sa online marketing. It's also the thing about learning about online marketing. It's the same. Can you say same? Learning online marketing para maging online marketer is the same thing as learning online marketing para maging virtual assistant. Same. Same na same. So, ano pagkakaiba? Pag virtual assistant, ina-apply mo agad para kumita ka. Pag online marketing, hindi mo siya ina-apply agad para kumita. You just do it. Okay? Anyway, let me just start off. Okay, here is my Facebook. So, it's the technical time. It's time to learn something new. Overtime na ako. Magagalit na naman ang aking mga VAs kasi gabi na. So, lalagyan natin ng modification tong aking Facebook page. By the way, gawin nyo to ha. Bawal lang, alam ko na yan. Dapat ginawa nyo na to maraming beses. So, meron dapat kayong Facebook page. Kung gumawa kayo ng Facebook page. So, here's my Facebook page. It's called Jomar Hilario, Philippines Virtual Assistant Guru. And there are certain things here. It's called custom tabs. Can you type the word custom, tapos TAB, tabs. Now, I'm going to add one custom tab para nandun yung rules ng contest. Game. Nadagdagan ko siya. Now, I'm going to do it right now. Para happy kayo, kita nyo. Yung mga marunong na pwede na kayo matulog. So, I'm gonna go to YouTube, to Google. I'm gonna type in WooBox iframe. And I'm going to select the second option. I'm going to type in WooBox iframe. I'm going to select the second option. I'm going to type WooBox iframe. I'm going to select the what option. Yung nagsasabing apps.facebook.com. I'm gonna click on that. It's gonna bring me to the WooBox. Okay. Ngayon, I need some text. Yun yung contest details. Okay? Contest details. So, hintayin natin itong lumabas tong static iframe tab, WooBox, something. So, here is the text for the contest details. Dedekwatin natin sa email ko yung text ng contest. Okay, docs? Tapos, right-click. Tapos, kokopyahin ko. So, I just got some text. Lalagay ko doon. Okay naman. Pwede na akong umalis sa text. Ito yung lalagay ko doon. Ito na yung contest details. Babalikan ko tong static iframe. I'm not going to read this. That would be a waste of time. Instead, I'm gonna click on the green icon. Green button kasi siya lang yung malaki. So, click ko siya. Yung green na install page tab. Tapos hihingin niya yung Facebook page na kailangan akong lagyan. In which case, sinabi ko na sa inyo kanina, anong pangalan ng Facebook page ko? Ilalagyan natin ng laman. Ay, wala dito. Kasi nilagyan ko na. Kailangan uninstall. Kainis. So, piliin mo yung Facebook page na lalagyan mo. Halimbawa, lalagay ko siya dito sa OFWs can work from home. Example lang ha. Ilagay ko siya sa OFWs can work from home na Facebook page. Boink. Pagkapili ko sa kanya, dadalhin ko yung mouse dito sa labas para mawala yung menu. Tapos pipiliin ko yung add page tab. So far, I have not done anything that is complicated. I hope you agree. Can you type I agree? Agree ba kayo? So I changed ang ginalaw ko yung OFWs can work from home na page ko. Kasi nalagyan ko na pala kaninang kahapon ng umaga yung isa. In any case, once you see something like this, do not read it. There's a big blank white thing there. Click on it. Okay? Click on the editor. Okay? Pinutin mo yung editor. Alam mo yung editor? Pinutin mo yan para magmukhang Word. Tapos, kung gusto mo, hilahin mo to para lumaki. Hilahin mo to para lumiit. Hilahin mo to para lumaki. Hila. Hila, oh. Wala nang takot nyo. O, sige. Click sa loob. Right click. Paste. Ayan. Ayan na yung contest. Contest yan, di ba? So, yung title, para highlight ko, siguro kaya nyo na to. Tapos format, gagawin ko siyang heading 1 kasi malaki. Okay? Tapos ito yung price, win. So gagawin ko ganoon. Essentially, gagawin ko siyang readable. Pakisabi nga, readable. Tapos, yan. Gagawin ko lang siyang readable para para naman magandang basahin. Hindi sila mainis basahin pag binasa nila to. Kasi yung format, putol-putol. Yan. So just make this readable. Nandiyan na yung criteria. Nandiyan na yung winner, albeit Yan. Okay. So, ito na yung contest details. Tapos, I'll just turn this entire thing into red color kasi gusto ko yan. Okay. So, ilalagay ko to sa loob ng Facebook. So, all I need to do after formatting that is go to the bottom and click Save Settings. Hindi. Yung tab name papalitan ko. Contest. Dali. Okay. Mananalo ka. Yun. Exclamation mark. Save settings. Believe it or not, tapos na. Basta napindot mo yung save settings ng ayos. Yeah, you can make as many fan pages as you want. Hindi ko ata napindot yung save settings. Pindutin ko ulit. Ayun, tapos na. So, tapos na. Nasave ko na siya. Pindutin ko yung view tab. Ayun na siya. Toink. Tapos, puntahan ko yung OFWs can work from home. Pinindot ko to Hindi kayo gumamit ng FB. Marunong kayo gumamit. Okay. So, ito yung OFWs can work from home. Tapos, para makahanap mo yung bago nating gawa, pindutin mo tong arrow down. May arrow down sa tabi ng likes Yung 8, arrow down. Click mo yon. Meron itong mananalo ka. Pindutin mo, dali mo yung mouse dun sa may ilaw-ilaw. Meron ng pencil. Pindutin mo yung pencil. Tapos sabihin mo, swap position with likes. Asan yung likes? Ito sa taas. So, pindutin ko tong swap position with likes para umakyat siya doon. Ayan. So, ayan. So, if you look at my page, meron ka ng mananalo ka. So, all I need to do is change the poster para mapansin tong mananalo ka. So, when you click on this, kung ano sinulat ko kanina, yan yung lalabas dyan. Ayan. Contest details. Assignment. Gawin nyo yan. Gawin nyo yan kung anong gusto nyo ilagay sa page nyo. Well, ang suggestion ko yan din. Tapos, pakita nyo sa friends nyo. Marunong ka niyan, marunong ka niyan, marunong ako niyan. Sige ka, marunong ako niyan. So, yun lang po. Gusto kong sabihin. I be quiet for 4 minutes for questions. In case you have questions. Seats are still open for the VA Seminar 101 on March 22. And if you not after that, punta kayo sa summit ni Bo. Doon kami mag-i-interview ako ng 4 na virtual assistants on stage. Looks. So, kung may tanong, go ahead. Hindi ko diniscuss yung app, di ba? Hinanap nyo lang. Woobox. Static HTML iframe type. Yan yung pangalan ng app. Sobrang simple niyan Saan makikita ang copy ng mechanics sa contest? Sige nga, saan makikita? Kung gusto niyo sumali sa contest, saan makikita ang mechanics ng contest? Nakalimutan niyo na no? Sa mastery group. Ito sa taas Ayan Yan yung may Flappy Bird. Yan na yun. Flappy Bird, yan. Yan yung contest. Ito na mismo. Yan yung mechanics. Hindi yan tatanggalin yan. Tinuruan ko lang kung paano ilagay yung mechanics sa ibang website. Pero yan na yun. Sige ba? Tanong pa? Pwede bang gawin sa personal page ko to? Yes. Basahin natin yung mechanics ha. Ay! Anong to? Yung ano? Hindi. Wala kang custom tab sa personal page. Sorry. Tingnan mo. Wala. Puntahan natin yung personal page ko ha. Hindi ka pwede maglagay kasi walang tinanggal ni Facebook ang custom tabs. Ayan no? Walang rectangle sa ilalim. Hindi mo magagawa yan sa personal page. Lahat ng Facebook contest as need to use apps. Nope. Yung gagawin nga natin, walang apps eh. Pwede bang gumawa ng maraming pages sa Facebook gamit ang isang account lamang? Yep. After Googling Woobox, yung second page option ang pipiliin, right? Nope. Tingnan niyo mabuti ha. Hindi ako nag-google ng Woobox. Ano ang ginugol ko? Tingnan niyo lang. Hindi Woobox ang google mo. Woobox iframe. 3 beses ko yan pinakita ha. 3 beses ko minention yan ha. Hindi Woobox. Woobox iframe. Itong second na to. Yan ang hanapin mo. Static HTML iframe by Woobox. So ako, last question ko sa inyo. Sino ang gustong maging online marketer? Ang sagot doon, OM. Sino ang gusto maging VA? Sagot sa inyo. Ang sagot doon VA. Yun ang tagot. Dalawang tanong isang VA online marketer. So lahat dapat ng gusto sumagot ng OM lang. Tapos yung VA, pwedeng VA lang. Pwede rin sabay, pero kailangan may oras ka. So request ko sa inyo, share nyo yung share nyo yung contest sa iba. Ganun. Ang VA ba pwede sa lalaki? Wala namang importance ang gender mo, sir. Nasa internet ka eh. Pwede ka mag-both. You just have to give the time. Pag-aaralan mo yung VA part, pag-aaralan mo yung OM part. Give the time. Pag mayroon akong mga ginapagawang mga assignment sa sa master group, gawin nyo. Libre na eh. Gawin nyo. Okay? So for those of you na VA, very important for you to answer the question na kailan. Bawal ang eventually kasi dito eh. Kung ang sagot mo eventually, tulog ka na. Nobody succeeds when ang goal nila eventually. Kailangan may time frame. So, kailan ka mag-attend ng VA seminar? Bigyan ko sikreto ah. This is probably gonna be the in the foreseeable future, the last live event I'll do in VA 101. Magko-concentrate ako sa webinars. So, kung mag-attend kayo, pag sinabi mong next time, baka next year ka na. Okay? So, don't miss this. I'm not gonna do a one-on-one again. If I do a next one, it's gonna be 202 na. Hindi na 101. Hindi ko na rin gagawin yung 2013 na version. Download nyo na lang yun. Pwede naman eh. Okay? So, wala na to. Wala na rin to pagkatapos ng March 22. Yung 202, probably next year na yan. Most likely. Okay? Hindi counted yung summit. Yung summit is a completely different thing. Hindi mo ako nagsasalita eh. Okay, so if you're gonna be OM, make sure you're a member of the online mentoring club. 3. If you don't know how, tanungin mo si Nikki. Okay? Kasi mahaba yung proseso na yan. Pag pinabukas mo pa yan, tanda ka na, hindi ka pa marunong. Okay? Bakit kailangan bata ka pa? Kasi pag may pera ka, tapos matanda ka na, wala rin sense. Hindi mo ma-enjoy. Kailangan bata ka pa lang. Okay? Hosted WordPress no longer available. If you actually get into the March 22 event, papadalang ka na agad ng lessons. Sinimulan na namin last week yung lessons. Anytime this week, meron ng lesson 2. Okay? Whether you download it or whether you attend it, meron ka ng lessons na papadala online. You have to do the assignments na. May, ikaw nang bahala dyan sa tanong mo. Ang tanong ni May kung anong category ng kanyang page. Okay? Anong gusto mong gawin na page? Ikaw ang pipili ng category. Cindy, walang ititik na boxes. Panoodin yung replay. Wala akong ititik na boxes sa box. Nothing. I just leave it. Paano mag-join sa online mentoring 3? You go to the website jhilario.com/online mentoring 3. Nikki hopefully will know what to tell you. 1 month time frame of achievable as long as you don't spend the entire month na sa self-doubt, nagdidili-dali, nagdidelay, mga ganun. 1 month time frame is good time para matutunan yan. Yung bago yung dati na VA seminar, 3 months yan. Yung bago na VA 101, pwede na 1 buwan yan. Mas madali yung VA 101. Ang VA 101 mas matrabaho. It's easier. It's easier, but it's more work. So paulit-ulit lang yung gagawin mo kasi sa VA 101. Basa ka lang ng basa. Maraming basa, maraming searching. Pero, mas madali. Pero, Cynthia, sa totoo lang, pag kinausap mo ang internet, you can't learn anything in 1 month. Actually, you'll never stop. Nagbabago internet eh. So, learning it in everything, you can't learn everything. Gotta be ready to adjust ng adjust. Lalo na pag internet. Okay? So, adjust ka lang ng adjust. So, yun na lang po. Good night. Thank you very much, all you 110 people who are here and joined us for today's session. Salamat. Sana nandyan si Nikki, ano? Kasi hindi ako sigurado, namatayan eh. So, sorry. Uh, Sagutin nyo na lang yung questions. I'll leave Nikki with you guys para sagutin. Okay. Cindy, pwede ka nang kumita after 1 month. Saan? Hindi ko alam. Salamat. I'll leave you on, baka nandyan pa si Nikki or si Jasmine to answer your questions. Okay? Mga tao sa Google Hangouts, punta lang kayo sa Jomar Hilario Mastery Group for questions. Kasi hindi ko na-on yung chat room. Sorry. See you soon. God bless.